1902. In a time when skill and craftsmanship were highly valued, a young man set his sights on becoming a locksmith. Driven by his passion for the trade, he dedicated himself to mastering it through years of hard work and determination. This is the story of Otto WÖHR Sr. For over 6 decades, we have been a leader in the design, construction and installation of convenient, space-saving parking systems. As a family-owned and operated company, we pride ourselves on our commitment to quality and performance. We are dedicated to providing the best possible parking solutions for our customers, from private homeowners to large commercial properties. Our manufacturing facilities are at the heart of our business. As a manufacturer, we place great importance on ensuring that the products we offer our customers meet the highest quality standards. That's why we are at the forefront of the latest manufacturing technologies. We rely on laser technology, punching, bending and welding to ensure the highest precision. Our production facility in Germany includes 8 factory halls covering an area of approximately 12,000 square meters, with a fully automated storage and conveyor system. These advanced technologies and careful control of our production allow us to ensure that our customers receive only the highest quality products that are durable and reliable. With our international projects, we are at the forefront of advancing the paradigm of green parking. Through our parking systems, we will eliminate the difficulty of finding a suitable parking space, reduce CO2 emissions, and preserve green spaces. The end result? Less stress, improved quality of life, and effective parking densification. Sustainability is not just a word for us. Our parking solutions not only provide safe and convenient parking, but also support e-mobility. In our systems, we offer solutions to charge your electric car while parked. We are always looking to the future, and we look forward to the arrival of the autonomous vehicle and making parking even more convenient. We know that different needs require different solutions. That's why we offer a range of options for both cars and bikes, no matter what your specific parking needs are. But we're more than just a parking solutions manufacturer. We develop our own software and apps to ensure our systems are easy to use and convenient for our customers, all in real time. With our commitment to perfection, quality and innovation, we are the first choice for parking solutions. We are WÖHR, powering the transformation of urban space.